Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It is Palestine here. I just wanted to let you know that I went to my first radiotherapy treatment yesterday, which I made a video about that. But in the afternoon, I went to see my dentist because I had an appointment to see the dentist that I had made 6 months ago to have my teeth cleaned and checked by the dentist. And when I made that appointment 6 months ago, I didn't know that I was going to be going through radiotherapy. So yesterday afternoon, when I went to the dentist and I saw the hygienist, I told her that I was having radiotherapy. And she said that she couldn't treat me because she couldn't treat people who were having radiotherapy. And basically, she was just saying that, radiotherapy affects your body, and she couldn't do any cleaning of my teeth or anything because I'm having radiotherapy. And then she said that, I said, well, what about the dentist? Is the dentist going to see me? Because the thing is I pay for that service. I pay over £20 a month to have my teeth cleaned and checked twice a year. So I'm paying for a service that I'm not getting. And she said, yeah, the dentist would see me. But she went and spoke to the dentist, and he didn't do much. He didn't check my teeth or anything like that. He just asked me if I had any problems. And I told him about one little problem that I have. And he said, well, we can either leave it alone or we can do this, this, and this. And I said, well, it's not really bothering me that bad, so I'll just leave it alone. And then he said that he took an x-ray. I don't know if I was supposed to pay for that x-ray, but he did take an x-ray, and he said that there was no infection in there. And I left because I had already made my 6-month appointment whenever I first went in to see the dentist. And so I left, and I didn't pay for the x-ray. So I don't know if I was supposed to pay for the x-ray or not, or if that just was part of the dental check. I'm not sure. But I'm sure if I was supposed to pay for it and I didn't pay for it, they will let me know. And so the hygienist told me that I could speak to my oncologist, and if my oncologist wrote the dental practice a letter saying that it was okay to clean my teeth, that she would go ahead and clean my teeth for me. And I just said, well, my oncologist is really busy and I don't want to bother him. I said, there's nothing, I said, I keep my teeth clean, I don't smoke, and I don't drink. So hopefully it's going to be okay, because that's all she was doing, was just cleaning my teeth. And I don't have that many teeth to clean anyway. So then this morning, I went to my radiotherapy appointment, and fortunately, I got there early, so they saw me early since I got there early. And I told the radiotherapist what happened, that the dental hygienist wouldn't clean my teeth because I'm having radiotherapy. And she said that because they were just doing my breast area, then it should not be a problem for her to clean my teeth. And she said that I could phone them up and tell them what the radiologist said. But I just thought about it, and I thought it's just such palaver for me to go down there, because I have to take a bus to get down there, and I have to take a bus like an hour before I'm supposed to be there. And she just said that I had to get the oncologist to write a letter. I'm not going to ask the oncologist to write a letter. He's very busy, and I'm not going to ask him for that. So basically, I'm paid for a service that I didn't get. But hopefully in 6 months' time, they will clean my teeth and check my teeth. Hope so anyway. But the radiotherapist said that the only time they have to be worried about not cleaning your teeth is if you have radiotherapy to the face region, which I'm not having radiotherapy to the face region, so it should not have been a problem. But I guess my dental practice was being overly cautious. She didn't want to clean my teeth in case it caused problems with the radiotherapy. And radiotherapy affects your body, and it causes your body to have to heal after you've had the radiotherapy. So I guess that's why she didn't want to clean my teeth. So yeah, she got paid for not cleaning my teeth. And I guess my dentist got paid for not checking my teeth. And so I was there this morning. Whenever I was at the radiologist, I saw these thank you cards. And I said that, I told my boyfriend, I said, I've got some cards at home. I said, when I finish my radiotherapy treatment, I'm going to have to send the thank you card to the cancer center, because I had a mammogram, I had 2 operations, I saw the oncologist, and I'm going to have 8 radiotherapy sessions. So whenever I finish my radiotherapy session, I'm going to have to send them a thank you card for everything that they did for me. So I think that concludes my video. I've talked about my radiotherapy session and the fact that my dental hygienist wouldn't clean my teeth because I'm having radiotherapy. And that's the main thing that happened, because yesterday, whenever I made my video yesterday, I said nobody's going to want to see the video if you don't have anything interesting to say. Well, I did have something interesting to say, because the hygienist wouldn't clean my teeth. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be making another video for you very soon.